topic of today's video is the Hostinger website builder review. So whether you're a beginner or looking for an affordable way to create a website, we'll break down the key features, pricing, and overall performance for Hostinger. So first things first is ease of use and design flexibility. Hostinger's website builder offers a user-friendly drag and drop interface, making it accessible for beginners with over 150 responsive templates tailored for various industries. You can customize your site without any coding knowledge. The platform also includes AI tools like an AI writer and an AI heat map to assist in content creation and design optimization. Hostinger's website builder is competitively priced, with plans starting at $2.99 a month. This includes essential features like a free domain for the first year, SSL certificates, and email accounts. The platform offers solid value, especially for small businesses and individuals looking to establish an online presence, though keep in mind most of their pricing plans have contractual terms of 48 months. So some of the features and limitations for the website builder include that it has AI-powered tools for content creation and design assistance, e-commerce capabilities supporting up to 500 products and over 100 payment methods, a mobile editor that allows you to build and edit your website on the go. However, it lacks an app marketplace for third-party integrations, which may limit scalability for growing businesses, as well as the fact that once you select a template, switching to a different one requires starting from scratch, which can be inconvenient if you change your mind later. So the pros and cons would definitely be affordable pricing in the pros section, a user-friendly interface, tons of AI tools, but in the cons we're looking at limited scalability due to the absence of an app marketplace and the inability to switch templates without starting from over. So is Hostinger for you? Have you used Hostinger before? Let us know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing because we drop quick reviews like this all the time.